What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solving Factory. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok not working issue. Let's start. First, you have to dive into your mobile settings, scroll down to App Management, and click on App Settings, and then find TikTok and click on it. Once you're in, head over to Storage and Cache. Clear the cache and data. This should tackle any bugs or errors in the app. Now for the second method, swipe down your screen and turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data. Open TikTok to see if the problem persists. If you're still facing issues, don't fret. Simply toggle airplane mode on and off by swiping down your screen. This should sort out any network glitches. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.